How to buy crypto with Skrill. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can buy crypto with Skrill. So how do you do this? The first step is to log in into your Skrill account. Once you're logged in, either on the PC or on your phone, you'll be brought to the home page. Once you're on this home page, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen under the welcome to Skrill, and then you can see options like pay online, buy and sell crypto, send money. So just click on buy and sell crypto, and then once you click on it, a box will be displayed at the lower part of the screen, which is buy and sell crypto, add money to your wallet and use it to trade instant crypto etc. Now what it's trying to say is that to buy and sell crypto you have to have enough money in your wallet. For me currently, I don't have enough money in my wallet, so I'll first of all have to add money to my wallet by clicking on continue, and then to do that I have to pay with my credit and debit card, and I have to add my credit and debit card in here. So after adding my debit card and my credit card, then I can now trade crypto. So it's very simple. Once you log in, click on buy and sell crypto, they'll be redirected on that page. On this page, read the instructions, follow the on-screen instructions, follow the fees attached to the payment, and then go ahead and trade as much as you want. So that's how it works. This is how you can buy and sell crypto on Skrill. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.